In this short and basic video, I will show you how to add audio to a PowerPoint presentation. Open your file, click on Insert. Here guys, you will see option Audio. Click on this drop down and select Audio on my PC. Now select your audio. Then here click on Insert. If in downside, can play. Can maximize or minimize volume. Now here select Play across slides and start select automatically. You can play. In slideshow, you can select from beginning. So thanks for watching. This the way you can add audio to a PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.